Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to do the live face and eye detection. Okay, so live means we are going to on our default camera in the laptop, and then whoever passes through this camera, their eyes as well as the face will be recognized. Okay, so let's do. First, I'll be doing like import CV2. So before starting this video, I hope you have watched the face and the eye detection. If you haven't watched, please do watch that and come, so that you will be able to understand this video more clearly. Okay, so now if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button. Okay, so now let's start the video. So I am going to take it like face cascade is equals to CV2 dot cascade classifier, and let's give the her cascade file. Okay, so always once when you are giving this her cascade file, don't forget that the spelling should not be wrong. Okay, it should be the same spelling that you have taken. Okay, so now let's give the eye cascade is equals to CV2 dot cascade classifier, and let's give her cascade underscore I dot XML. Okay, so now let's choose the video capture. So we now need to choose an image. So as it is a live means, let's give cap is equals to CV2 dot video capture of 0. Now let's do while true. Okay, so I'm going to give it as true, so that would be stored in this RET, right? RET comma frame is equals to cap dot read. Okay, so frame will read whatever is there in the cap. Okay, the cap captures the video. Okay, so now let's convert it into the grayscale. I'll do it like CV2 dot CVT color. Let's give frame comma CV2 dot color BGR to gray, which converts the color from the colored video to a gray video. But from the gray video, it's more easier to find out the faces as well as the eyes. That's why we are converting it. Okay, so let's give faces is equals to face cascade dot detect multi scale of gray comma 1.3 comma 5. So now let's write like for X, Y, W and H in the faces. Let's draw it like CV2 dot rectangle IMG X comma Y comma X plus W comma Y plus H. We are taking the faces rectangle. Okay, so now let's give a color. I am giving a color and then the thickness. Okay, so now let's convert it into the gray itself. Gray is equals to gray of Y is to Y plus H and X is to X plus W. Okay, so similarly let's do it for the colored one also, because for the colored one also we need the same, right? So frame of Y is to Y plus H comma X is to X plus W. So now let's do the eye cascade. So let's give eyes is equals to eye cascade, the same thing itself, dot detect multi-scale of raw gray. So now let's give like for EX, EY, EW as well as EH in eyes. CV2 dot rectangle, we are drawing a rectangle in the colored image itself. Okay, raw color, and let's give it to be EX plus EY, and here we can give like EX plus EW comma EY plus EH. Okay, now the color is 0 0 255 and the thickness is 2. Now let's give the CV2 dot IM show, CV2 dot IM show of the output comma the frame, right? So now let's give like the wait key. If you are just pressing something or the escape key, okay, what will happen? If CV2 dot wait key of 30 and OX 0x FF is equal to 27. Okay, so if you press a key, that is 27. I think it's the escape key. You have to give break, and then let's give cap dot release. Okay, now let's give CV2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so I hope this was clear. If you have any doubts, please do ask me in the comment box so that I'll get back to you. Okay, so now let's save it like live face plus I. So now let's save it. Here there is an error for the break statement, so let's just the break is outside the loop, so let's put it inside. I'll give one more tab space. Still it says that. Okay, so don't worry, we can just give like, we'll give a wait key of something. Okay, let's give CV2 dot wait key of 5000, because after 5000 milliseconds your detection should be over. Okay, that's the reason why I gave. You can wait for some time and just see. Okay, the live camera is on here, but the video has not been appeared yet, but you can still wait here. I'll give here to be 1. Okay, and then again let's try, because the window didn't pop up for the IM show, that's the reason. So now I have saved it. So as I am using this software to screen record, that's the reason why I am not able to get the screen of live detection. Okay, so don't worry, you guys can really try that and you will be able to get the output. Okay, if you got the output, please do let me know in the comment box. Okay, so see you in the next video with some other interesting topics. Bye students.